when you get people to move quickly, they tend to make mistakes. And then related to the coronavirus thing, what I've seen is, being that I had to go get tested, and I've known plenty of people that went to go get tested.
And everybody's getting tested now.
Everybody.
Right? Like, so it's like a high probability that, like, if you just send a text message out to every person in the entire United States, 1 out of every 3 people has probably had the test.
Yes. Yeah. And if so, say I was a malicious actor, right? And I wanted to send something that I wanted people to click on via a text or an email. I want it to be current and timely. So this is the perfect time to have a coronavirus type thing go out. And I want somebody to kind of disregard their security practices that they know about and just click it. Right. That's the goal here.
Oh, I'm waiting on my test.
Oh, exactly. And that's what I wanted to talk about today is, so I go in, I get my coronavirus test. I actually stayed in the doctor's office and waited 15 minutes and got my result. But plenty of people go out to their car and wait due to security or, keeping other people safe. People have to go home and wait several days, right? And so they're waiting anxiously for this coronavirus test result to know if they can go back in the community or do whatever, right? So it creates this sense of anxiety. And so then what we've seen in malicious attempts to get people is in their text messages, people are getting these malicious texts that say, hey, for your coronavirus results, click here. And
or they'll get an email.
Exactly. Or they'll get this email that says, hey, your coronavirus results are attached. So then what people do is they're like, oh, this is exactly what I've been waiting for. They click it, right? And they disregard looking at the normal things that we're going to talk about here in a minute. They disregard the 20 seconds of kind of really analyzing this and understanding if it's legitimate. And they click it because they want the information. They want it fast, right? And it's important. So I've seen a lot of that